US dollar against Japanese yen this week risen in value. We can see here that the price formed a bullish breakout on the Monday above 140.898. The price formed this bullish breakout above where the price did not return back down just to confirm previous resistance now acting as support. It has formed another bullish candle, then continue to rise in value, and we can see the price reach at this resistance level, forming this bullish breakout above and then reaching 153.30, this resistance as supply zone, and then return it back down. In this case, we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout and validated this bullish breakout as a valid one, where the next day on a Friday the price tried to continue to rise in value. Weekly time frame has closed as a bullish. We can see that what's happening currently, the US dollar against Japanese yen is rising in value, and it is much stronger than the Japanese yen, and we can see that easily. We can see that the price has formed on the weekly time frame a bullish breakout about 151.66, which is a great information for the bulls. Now, the monthly time frame looks pretty strong, a bullish candle. We can see the price has returned back up, continue to rise in value, invalidating this bearish breakout with this bullish breakout here, invalidating this bearish candle and forming this bullish breakout above 148.90, which is a great information for the bulls. Now, how the month will close in the next week, I'm expecting that the price will stay above 148. The weekly time frame shows me a bullish breakout, which means there is a potential that the price returns to 151.66 next week, but the next resistance level where I'm expecting the price will find is this one here. We can see that the week has reached this resistance level, and the next one will be here, 153.73. 153.73 is an area around this one here, We can see in the past the price had problems, but the first level is 153.30, which is the next resistance for the price on the daily time frame. So this is the area what I'm expecting that the price will reach and then try to make a bullish breakout. Currently I am bullish oriented, where the next target is 153.30 on the next week. And if the price makes a bullish breakout, we can see where the price is heading towards 154.70, which is also a weekly resistance level. Now, if the price turns back down below 151.66, this is the next target where the price is going to reach is this one here, 150.46, before this demand zone and this support level. Now, this is what I'm expecting. We have a bullish oriented month, we have bullish oriented week, and currently we have a daily time frame bullish oriented. So I'm expecting the price will continue to rise in value, reaching this target and eventually this one here before reaching 154.70. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.